come knocking late at night. She'll let you in her mouth if the words you say are right. If you pay the price, she'll hit you deep inside. But there's a secret garden she hides. She'll let you in her car to go driving around. She'll let you into the parts of herself that'll bring you down. She'll let you in her heart if you got a hammer and a vise, but into the secret garden, don't think twice. You've gone a million miles. How far'd you get? That place where you can't remember and you can't forget. She'll lead you down the path. There'll be tenderness in the air. She'll let you come just far enough so you know she's really there. Then she'll look at you and smile, and her eyes will say she's got a secret garden where everything you want, where everything you need will always stay.